everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrephone. In today's video I want to show you how I make catfish pepper soup. So these are my ingredients which I'm going to be using. I have my garlic, ginger, I have my pepper. If you have scotch bonnet you can use this. I have onion, tomato, and I have no cube, and this is my pepper soup seasoning. So I bought this in African shop. So this is what I'm going to be using. So let's get into it. So here I have my catfish. So it's being cut, so I'm going to wash it now because it's not here to wash. So I will use my lemon to wash it. Cut your lemon, and I will use salt. So you use your lemon to scrape it like this. So guys, right now we are going to blend onion, garlic, ginger. So we'll blend it now. So now we are going to place the catfish in the pot. So right now I'm going to add my nut cube. I'll add salt. I'll add my blend, my onion and garlic ginger that I blend with pepper. So I will add my pepper soup spice. Then I will let it to cook for about 5 minutes, then we'll come back to it. Cover it for 5 minutes. So right here I'm going to cook my tomato. So I'll cook it for about 5 minutes. We'll come back to it. So right now I'm going to remove the tomato that I cooked. So I'm going to blend this. So I'll cover it for 5 minutes. We'll come back to it. So right now I'll add my plantain. cover it for 10 minutes. We'll come back to it. So right now I have a basil leaf, so this is what I'm going to be using. So if you don't have this, you can use a parsley leaf. So this one is like curry, it has a good scent, so that is why I bought this. So this is what we are going to be using. So right now I'm going to put my basil leaf. So guys, this is the end result of my pepper soup, catfish pepper soup. This tastes very delicious. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. You don't know who wants to make this food, so just share this video. If you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you, and God bless you.